I'm Michael Ramirez. I'm the Edinburgh Marketing Coordinator for the Office of Engaged Scholarship and Learning, ESNL for short. In today's session, we will discuss the process of finding a mentor. All travelers need a compass, and in the same way, all scholars need a mentor. We hope that by the end of this video, you'll feel equipped to reach out and find a mentor that best suits your goals and interests. As part of the Engaged Scholar Workshop series, we present Find a Mentor. Hello, welcome to the Engaged Scholars Workshop series. Today's topic is Finding a Mentor. All majors welcome. Here you will learn the benefits of mentorship for undergraduate research and creative works, as well as how to identify potential faculty mentors. We will also provide tips and advice for seeking a faculty mentor. But first, what is the Office of Engaged Scholarship and Learning? The Engaged Scholarship and Learning Office is here to support your academic experience across the university. We focus on student success through experiential learning activities, such as undergraduate research, service learning, creative works, and community engagement. We have opportunities for you to become an engaged student through workshops, awards, advising, and more. For today's topic, we will discuss 4 aspects of how to find a faculty mentor. Number 1, who is a faculty mentor and why should I choose one? Number 2, what is my area of interest? Number 3, how do I find a mentor? And number 4, how do I get in touch with a potential mentor? So, for starters, who is a faculty mentor? A faculty mentor must have the following aspects. He or she must be an advisor, a supporter, an experienced researcher, and knowledgeable in their field. So, why should you choose a faculty mentor? A faculty mentor will inspire and challenge you, lead you to the path of success, and provide insight and guidance. You must also ask yourself, what is my area of interest? Firstly, you must pinpoint your interests, so it will be easier to identify a mentor with similar interests and/or research conducted. Secondly, think about a possible research topic or creative works project you would like to investigate. For example, research that benefits DACA bilinguals. Thirdly, do you have any faculty mentors in mind? In order to find a faculty mentor at the UTRGV.edu website, you must first open the web browser of your choice. Then you type in www.utrgv.edu. You will then be directed to the UTRGV website. Here, you will see a section that says Academics. Under it, you should find the Faculty Profiles tab. Once here, you will find yourself in a directory with a lot of information on potential mentors. To narrow it down, you can search by name or department. Once you've found a faculty member, feel free to browse their Areas of Expertise section to see if they're a good fit. To find a faculty member at the Engaged Scholarship and Learning website, you must type in utrgv.edu/engaged. Once here, you should locate the Find Funding tab and select Engaged Scholar and Artist Awards. On this page, on the left side, find Faculty Directory. Here you will find a variety of mentors affiliated with the Engaged Scholarship and Learning Office. You can also use the search bar to narrow it down. This is a great option to find a faculty mentor. When contacting potential mentors, there are a few things you must keep in mind. First, you should draft an email and review it thoroughly. Try to set a time to meet in person. Hint, office hours. You must also provide information about yourself and your interests. Read through their previous/current research to get engaged in dialogue. Another thing you should keep in mind is that you may not meet the right mentor the first time. Finding the right mentor takes time and perseverance. Be polite and thankful for their time, and also keep an open mind to approach other disciplines as well. Another campaign we would like to highlight is the Thank a Mentor campaign. This annual campaign will take place in November 2020 of this year. Thank a Mentor is dedicated to celebrating your faculty mentor who has helped guide you in your academic journey. You may participate by submitting a photo of you and your mentor along with a few words of gratitude about your special bond. You can create the post and tag us at EngageUTRGV with the hashtag ThankAMentor2020 on the social media platform of your choice. We will send out information once this campaign becomes active. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. On the Edinburgh campus, we are available at the Student Academic Center, ESTAC, room 3.106. In Brownsville, we are available at the Student Union, Beeston, room 1.20. Our phone number for Edinburgh is 956-665-3461. That's 956-665-3461. For Brownsville, our number is 956-882-4300. That's 956-882-4300. If you'd like a more specific answer to your question, feel free to email us at engage@utrgv.edu. We also have a large variety of information available on our website at www.utrgv.edu/engaged. We hope that you found this video informative. Finding a mentor is one of the most important and rewarding aspects of being an engaged scholar. We have a lot more content underway, and we hope you tune in. We wish you good luck and a good week, scholars. Until next time, goodbye. This is Mike Ramirez, signing off.